See, this is that manual mixing machine. If you go over to the manual plant, this mixing has to be done with the help of the three materials. One is you can use that old material which is used in the machine, also 5% you can add with the mixing. And we have the two varieties of cottons are there. One is flat waist like this, and then another one we have the comber oils. So based on the customer requirement and costing of the end product, we have to mix the mixing, and we have to keep like this. We have to keep it for a day, and we have to recondition the things. And after this process, we have to take it by the manually, by the help of the laborers. So we are putting into the system, sir. So once we are putting it, ultimately we have the 6 beaters are there. So this is getting well opened by the system. This unwanted dust will be go away by this micro system. We have the suction fan also in this system. All the suction will be take away that unwanted material will go and collect in the bag. If suppose you want the filter room, we are also giving filter room. It will be filtered in our room. We can get it as a waste as a package form. So we can sell it outside. So in this the 6 beaters are there. In the 6 beaters, unwanted dust will be getting removed, and we can able to adjust the setting also by the system based on the raw material property. Inside all the things we have given built in SS we have given, it is a powder coated one, so it will not, it is a medical standards, it has been given like this. So from this system ultimately it is going to the magnet. So this magnet what will do it will remove the unwanted metal pieces to avoid the fire accidents. From there automatically sucks the material, it goes to this glass, it's called metal feeding machine. So we have the two sensors. If suppose these sensors will be always watching, if the material is going down, automatically it will switch on the system, sir, totally. So this feeding is a manual. The customer is going to be the round bale picker in that place. If suppose if we give the round bale picker there, automatically the bale will take the material, come to this condenser. This condenser will remove the unwanted waste also. It will open it a little bit. It will come to this machine automatically. From this machine, we have another sensor in the carding machine. So that's a carding is needed material. Automatically with the help of the motors, it will take the material with the help of one. So with the help of the suction fan, material will go by the suction fan through the pipe automatically. It will come to the carding machine, sir, totally. And this is a panel also we are giving it. It is a complete controlling of automatic panel, this system. So, and from this pipe, it will go to automatically to the carding machine. So whenever the carding machine is needed, the material, automatically this sensor will sense, it will operate that last machine, sir, the metal feeding machine will get operated. And from there, it controls fibers. So this is a main machine, it's called the high pressure chute. In this machine, almost we can able to maintain the individual fiber. So this will be coming like this. So, and after it's going to the carding machine, this is attachment called contamination free mechanism. See, unwanted trash and fibers, everything is getting removed this system, sir. And after that we have the centralized waste selection, all the waste will be sucked automatically. It will go to the suction, we can collect in the bag, this one. And this machine is completely free from the maintenance, so all our timer belt mechanism. And for the high speed purpose we did like this, so it will, we have the drum also in this zone. And then we have that electronic system also there. This electronic system what happened, it can able to control, it can able to control the grams per, it able to control the grams per meter. So how much grams you want, if you feed it automatically, it will stop the machine, you can remove by the manual. And then we have to put the material like this for the rolling machine, and after rolling that we will get like this, and after that we are going to cut the roll in this cutting machine, sir. So this roll will be like this. If you want the big roll also we can give it to the customers, and then roll will be placed like this. So we have to cut like this as per our standards, sir. So you can make the roll like this. So this is a complete process what we have in this. If you want the automatic machine, we are going to place on round bale packer, automatically come here, sir. So this all the machines has been supplied by Amarnaath. And one more thing, all the machines are the latest machines and highly quality oriented. In this actually we have the labor, we want only one labor here, and automatically whatever material will come here, we have another labor here. And then for this rolling and cutting machine we want the two labors, and for cutting we want one labor. So totally 7 laborers is more than sufficient for this project, sir. So in this project actually everything automatic, this suction also automatic, metal feeding is also automatic, and this machine is automatic. Only thing that actually this place we need the more laborers. In this we have that we need the laborers. Thank you, sir.